Hi everyone. Today I'll be talking about early developers or quick developers. Every year, in every small club in the country, good players are thinking about their own journey and the right club for them. They worry about the numbers or the level of the other players on their team. I had a chance to talk to the county board about this, and they say the same thing to every parent or manager. Players from a small club have the same, if not better, chance. They have more experience and are complete, fully rounded players. They are leaders ready for any challenge. Thinking about this, I'll be talking about three aspects that will help them with playing with their own club. Number one, playing at their own age. Number two, playing up. And number three, the mindset at home. So number one, there are examples around the country of top players and their experience of playing with others who may not be of the same level, and the difference that makes to the development of those brilliant players. The three most likely to pick out are David Clifford, Gearóid Hegarty and Liam Rush. David Clifford is a Kerry footballer and his home club is Fossa, a junior club. He was the best player in the country in 2022. Gearóid Hegarty plays for Limerick and his own club, Naomh Pádraig, is a junior level club. He has 3 All-Stars and 4 All-Ireland medals with Limerick. Liam Rush won an All-Star with Dublin and his club is a small intermediate club. This list shows that there are many advantages to a small club. Liam Rush's parents say he really enjoyed his experience at club level because of the chance he had to take on the leadership role. Those 3 men are all over the field with their own club, learning about the different skills in all positions, improving their fitness and learning under pressure, even beating other teams, as they say, on their own. That experience is incredible before they go to their county team. In addition, players like this respect everyone else's qualities. It helps them outside of sport. They have patience and self-discipline about their own improvement as well. Number 2, playing up. Around the country, there are young players and small players playing up. It's a transition and a rite of passage for GAA players. Even my own experience, growing up in Dublin with a huge club that had enough players, I played up. Every Saturday, I had 2 games, and from time to time, I played 2 years up on a Sunday. This was a great experience for me, playing with different players, listening to new managers, and learning about the importance of the club. To be honest, those are my best memories. Sure, I was gone all day every Saturday, but that's the crack. That is the GAA. That gave me the chance to improve my skills in a different environment and under more pressure than my own team. I was lucky when I was younger. My dad, number 3, the mindset at home. I was very lucky when I was younger. My dad is from Kenny and he understood this rite of passage. He was very proud that I was playing up. It was an honour. Sure, from time to time I went home complaining about another team or a manager or a referee, but as my dad said, that's life. From that experience, I learned many different things. Respect for the referees, respect for the managers, how to play against bigger players, how to play against faster players. Without this chance playing up, I wouldn't be where I am today. I played with Dublin for years because I was a brave player. Sure, I had the basic skills from my own age and the work that the coaches had done with me growing up, but I learned the most from my own experience, from growing and playing at the higher age. To finish off, I cannot stress this enough. I agree 100% that playing up is a great experience for any child. Even if your child is struggling with the pressure of their own age, it is a great opportunity for them to go and play up and play without the same pressure. They will be surrounded by older players who will pick up that pressure. They are there to help and they can play freely. So my opinion is play up and enjoy the experience. Thanks for listening. If anyone has any questions, please feel free to give me a shout to talk about my experience or anything that I talked about today. Thanks again.